What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be talking about the exhaust cleaning. So what is the safest one and which way you can get to the point it's going to be nice and shiny without any type of residue on it. So there is a couple ways to clean your exhaust pipes to the shine like this with simple things. First one and the safest one is going to be clay bar and a bottle of water, or the spray bottle of water. Just spray it and start rubbing the clay bar. Definitely gonna spend some time with that, but after all, you're gonna get to the shine as that one. Obviously, I've been using that clay bar for the exhaust right here. The next and not as safe way, it's gonna be 3000 grit sandpaper, or sometimes you have like sponge, which is gonna work as well. It's not gonna be as safe as the clay bar, because the clay bar basically kind of a clay, and it's sticking the pieces of whatever stuck onto the pipe or whatever material you're going through. Obviously, I was going through the paint and it looks horrible right now, but tomorrow we're gonna be polishing, so check the link in the description below for that video as well. Get back to the sandpaper. Sandpaper definitely useful if you have like pretty deep or pretty nasty layer of carbon deposit, which is going to help a lot, because the clay bar wouldn't make it, or if it will make it, that's gonna take you lots of time. We have a clay bar, we have 3000 grit sandpaper, and then we have something like really easy and really fast way to clean it. But from the other hand, as you can see, we already start having some scratches, which is not ideal. A metal brush would be the worst case scenario of doing something like that. So 3000 grit sandpaper will do the job better, and then a little bit of polish, that will be done. Also, there is special solutions for that kind of stuff, for the carbon deposits on the exhaust. So you can check it out, the AutoZone or some sort of shop like that, the automotive store. But yeah, my favorite, it's a clay bar. I'll show you how am I doing that stuff, and we're gonna be using 3000 grit sandpaper after all, because some of the spot is not gonna be that ideal as it could be. For right now, it looks much better. The outside shine, we kind of get to the point where we cannot use the clay bar. I definitely can try it, and it's literally gonna be catching some of the stuff, but the process is so slow from that point. It's kind of worth the shot and do a little bit of digging with the sandpaper. And you literally can see the first from the inside. You just kind of use the air, which is not the shiny and sparkling, and see how much it grabs, how much force do you need to add to basically get rid of some like deeper spots. As well as use water. Lubrication is the key to not scratch or damage or overexpose some areas. We have a little bit of scratches here and there, but before and after, it's kind of perfect. We also can use a little bit of polish with a small disc, like 1 or 3-inch disc probably would work, and that's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna be using the Magwire Ultra Finishing Compound, or the actual polishing. Grab the disc. We don't wanna make a lot of mess. Try to polish it. So basically, this is how you getting back the shine to your exhaust. If you wanted to work it more with the towel, you can go inside and play it with that a little bit more. Just gonna take a little bit. And look at that. Left side compared to the right side, it's like total different. Let's do it with the right side and we'll be done. Look at that, perfect. If you guys like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.